our YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we post new videos.
Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening according to the time you're watching this video, and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh to my brothers and sisters in Islam watching from around the globe. In this video I'll be sharing with you guys some premium app you need as a graphics designer. So I will putting the link to download this app in the video description. So as you can see, these are the app. So we have the Mock It Up Premium app, the Photo Room Premium app, the Photopia app, the Pixellab Premium app, pixellab YD, and the Remini Premium app. So I'll be putting in the video description the link to download this app. So you can just easily download the app using the link in the video description. And please like the video, comment and share it across to your graphics design friends, so that they can also gain from this video. They can also have this premium app on their phone. Thanks for watching.